Hello again, everybody. This is Ashana, and we have another job which is scheduled for interview on July 15 at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So this is a manufacturing company, and the job description for this is manufacturing of shoes and bags. So this is located in Yoshikawa city in Saitama. So we are looking for 5 people for this position. So if you are willing to apply, the salary for this will start from 200,000 yen and to 250,000 yen, and there will be a bonus also for this job. So if you are willing to apply for this, again, this is in Yoshikawa city in Saitama. So this is scheduled for interview on July 15. That will be Saturday. So if you are willing to apply, please comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 036 206 8058. Thank you.